Hello my friends, welcome to Code Guy channel. It is a workshop about how to build a string transformer. Step number 1, define variable original string and assign it to the string I love cats. Step number 2, console log original string and console log original string variable. Step 3, create variable replaced string. Use replace method on original string variable. This method will allow you to replace substring cats and dogs in a string original string. Step 4, console log sentence after using the replace method, console log replace string variable. Step 5, create variable example sentence I love cats and cats are so much fun, console log original sentence, and console log variable example sentence. Step 6, this example shows us that replace method works only in the first occurrence of the substring in the string. The cats and dogs were replaced only once. In this step, you need to define variable dogs only sentence example.replace cats dogs console log replacing all occurrence of the cats with dogs and console log dogs only sentence variable. Step 7, we need to make a fix in dogs only sentence variable. We need to change replace method on replace all. Now we can see that all the cats will replace with dogs. Step 8, define variable learning sentence I love learning, console log sentence original learning sentence, and then console log variable learning sentence. Step 9, we are working on the repeat method now. With this method we can repeat the string several times. Create variable repeated love, put love.repeat 3 times, console log repeated love. Step 10, define variable new sentence, concatenate I space plus repeated love plus learning. Step 11 is very important. Here you can see that you can chain methods together. Make changes with repeated love variable, chain repeated 3 times with trim end method. The workshop is complete. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.